Hello everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to add someone to an email thread in Outlook so they can stay informed and join the conversation. This is very useful for collaborations, updates, or when we need to bring in additional input. On Microsoft Outlook, we go to our email. Here is an example of an email we are working with. To add someone, we just need to click on CC or BCC. BCC is for sending to multiple people, but each person receives the email separately and cannot see the others. We will use CC so that everyone is on the same email thread and can see all the replies in one place. Once we are here, we just need to click on the user's name, like caesar1mail.com. We can also add another user, such as user.cebmail.com. We will also add user.ceb3tmail. And that is how we add someone to an email thread in Outlook in just a few simple steps. Now we can keep everyone in the loop and communicate more effectively.